Hello friends, thank you for taking the time to stop by, and I have a little DIY that I wanted to share with you, and I do have maybe a little small haul as well. So thank you for taking the time to stop by, guys, and I know we're all busy shopping for the season and decoring our own houses, but it's a pleasure that you take your time and you stop by. Alright, so let's get started with this video. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and there's so many ideas that I want to do with them, but I'm just gonna sum it up and do a couple. Look, for example, I got this. You could even make a little candy dish and add a little snowman hat on there, or a Santa hat, and that's kind of what I did with these. I just added the little sweet stickers from the Target dollar spot, added some candies, and this could be an ornament, or you could tie this to your gift, your Christmas tree, or whatever you had in mind. So first I'm going to fill up these little jars with my little marshmallows and my peppermint candies and some cocoa. And I'm going to fill them all three, and I've seen these in the stores before, but I did attempt to make one a while back, but since I seen these jars, I thought this would be a cute idea to do. Okay guys, so you have to forgive me about my lighting. I'm not using the same camera. I did lose that with a whole bunch of footage, and sometimes people just don't return it. They think they could use it, but you know, or your phone, when you lose your phone, they think they could use it, but you know, iPhones are totally different now. You could block everything out. But anyways, on to this. So I got the marshmallows in there, I got the hot cocoa in there, and the candies, and I am gonna glue them with my glue gun back there. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna do some buttons on there. You could use real buttons, or you could draw them in, whatever it is that you want. I think I might just draw them in. Okay guys, so my house is a little messy right now because I got a lot going on, but I just wanted to show you how this is turning out. I got the little eyes on there. I need to put my little nose. I got the little buttons. This is gonna be my little nose, and I have this old ornament that I might put up as his little scarf. So I took this ornament apart. I want to use it as a scarf for my little snowman. And this is, I don't know if it was about a year ago or what, but this is an ornament from the Dollar Tree. I thought these two would match really good for my snowman. I did add a little wreath to this picture frame that I've had. Okay, so far I got the little nose on there. You can see. And don't pay attention to the pink back there. That's another video that I'm working on. So that's why it looks a little different decor back there, because that's something else I'm working on that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I got the little scarf. It was a bit wrinkly because it was an ornament, so I went ahead and kind of glued a little bit right here. And then I gotta get my little hat. I don't know if you guys, I still have glue hanging on. I don't know if you guys think the Santa hat, I'm kind of going with this one though. This one looks cuter to me. And guys, I think it would be so cute if you guys do add like some real black buttons on there. I think it'd be just adorable. Okay, so this is how the little snowman guy turned out. I got his little hat on there. I got the little marshmallows, the chocolate. I tied a little scarf and the candy. And of course you guys could do this without the hat. You don't need the hat. I just wanted to show you with the hat. And I wanted to show you as well, I got this adorable mug from Walmart, and it comes with a little spoon. And then at the 99-cent store they had this snowman hat. It is a little big, and I was just kind of putting it on him the other day just to see how he would look. But like I said, they can be a little big, these ornaments. This one didn't fit either, but that's all I have on hand. But I thought they were so cute to have little hats on there. And this is how it is. And let me show you without the hat, which one you think is better. But this would look so cute in your little hot cocoa, or even a gift for somebody. Fill it up with their favorite goodies. So I added a little bit more so you can get like an idea. And then I do have some of the little candy canes that I tried to make appear at the moment. So you got somebody already wanting to warm up to some hot cocoa and grab some cookies with their little mittens here. And then here's my little snowman. So this is the star of the show, my little snowman guy in the hot cocoa. And I brought his little friends so he wouldn't feel left out. And these are my little friends without the hats to show you that you could also put them in your hot cocoa without the hats. They still look just as adorable. I could even try to put a Santa hat on there. And here he is with his little Santa hat. And here he is. Here they are with the little hot cocoa ideas. I think they're just adorable. I wanted to show you that this is my little coffee area. I got these adorable little penguin mugs, and this one as well from, what was it? It was TJ Maxx, I believe. And this is just how this little area looks. But I could add my little guy there. So this is where I put my little snowman, Santa, hot chocolate, little cutie. And like I said, he could be a great Christmas gift as well. Or you can just put him in your little hot cocoa area. Okay guys, if you follow me on Instagram, and I will place it there, what's my Instagram name, I did purchase these little adorable windows from the 99. I believe they were $3.99. So I did post them and I dressed them up. But I was thinking you can also add these in your little coffee hot cocoa. Okay, and I also thought if you have two of the same containers, but I know I have another one, but then I have this one as well. I was thinking if you had these little two containers, you could also put coffee on one and sugar on the other, and just put them together and put a little thing that says "We go together," coffee and sugar. I think that would be a really cute idea as well. So here it is. It is very simple, easy. You just get some little sweets, some candies, put them in there, You could even probably use a marker and put sweets on there. And then I'm gonna tie this little ribbon. And I mean, that's just such a cute ornament gift. So it's as easy as that. Here it is, sweets with a little candy in there. I was also thinking you can hang them from these little dish towels from the Dollar Tree if you want to give a gift out like that. That would be really cute as well. Here it is even hung on my tree. I was also thinking you could take out the candies and just put some little knickknacks in there and just hang them from the tree. So I did get these little jars from the Dollar Tree, and again, the possibilities are endless with these as well. And these are the little trees from the Target Dollar Spot. They were $1, and there's so many cute things you could do as well with these little, I guess they could be candle holders. And then for this bigger one, I wanted to display like a little Santa or something. This is the top from the Target Dollar Spot as well, but you don't have to put like these hard ceramic ones. You could put one of these on top. Like I said, you could either glue this one to the top here, or you could add the softer one, which I'll show you on both. And then I had this ribbon from the Dollar Tree last year, and you could tie this ribbon around it. And also another little cookie jar, or you could put, what else? You could put a Christmas tree in there. I chose to put candies for right now. So here's a little mason jar as well. You could add your favorite little gifts. Favorite little candies. And it could look like a little snowman, or not snowman, Santa. And then you could add the little hat on there with the jar. And I'm just gonna put the little cherries in there, and just the top. Maybe tie a little ribbon around it. Okay, so here it is, and I was thinking of tying some little bells around it. I would like the silver bells, but I don't have silver bells right now. And I did want to show you this last minute gift note paper from the Dollar Tree from Jot. I think this is such a cute gift as well. You could put these in your stockings. Okay, so since that was in my bag with the bells, so I think tying a little bit of bells on here would look maybe cute. Guys, so if I was gonna add these little gold bells, I wanted to add a little something more gold in there. I do prefer to add the silver bells to this, but at the moment I don't have any. So I also added these little candy canes in the little jar as well. So I wanted to show you that on that Target Dollar Spot little hat, you can glue it on these little ornaments as well, or you can just use them for your little decor area.